Welcome to our day trip to Chania, one of Crete's most picturesque and historic cities. Our trip began in Rethymno, where we jumped in the car and headed west along the scenic coastal road towards Chania. After about an hour we arrived at our first stop, the impressive Venetian fort. The Venetian fort, also known as the Firkas Fortress, was built in the 16th century to defend Chania from Ottoman attacks. Today it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Venetian Harbor, a sight that takes you back in time. From there we strolled past the Maritime Museum, a small but fascinating place that showcases Crete's seafaring history. The picturesque Venetian harbour stretched out before us, its colourful buildings reflecting beautifully on the water. Continuing our walk towards the old harbour, we passed the Küçük Hasan Mosque, a remnant of the Ottoman era. Built in the 17th century, this striking domed building now serves as an exhibition space. A short walk further on brought us to the old Venetian dockyards, impressive arched structures that were once used to house and repair Venetian galleys. Next, we set our sights on one of Chania's most iconic landmarks, the Egyptian Lighthouse. Originally built by the Venetians and later restored by the Egyptians in the 19th century, the lighthouse stands proudly at the entrance to the harbour. We walked along the breakwater, enjoying the fresh sea breeze and stunning coastal views. After taking in the sights, we retraced our steps to the Sabbionara Bastion, one of the last remaining parts of Chania's Venetian fortifications. From there we entered the heart of the town and made our way to the square in front of St. Nicholas Church. St. Nicholas Church is unique. It was originally a Venetian Catholic church before being converted into a mosque under Ottoman rule. Today it serves as an Orthodox Christian church, a symbol of Chania's multifaceted history. In the shade of this beautiful building, we enjoyed a delicious Cretan lunch.
Welcome to Crete.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
With our appetite satisfied, we strolled through Chania's charming shopping streets, lined with craft shops, boutiques, and traditional Cretan products. We then passed the Holy Metropolitan Church of the Presentation of the Virgin Mary, an elegant and peaceful place of worship. As the afternoon sun passed, we made our way back to the harbour, taking one last moment to enjoy the beauty of Chania's waterfront. The mix of Venetian, Ottoman and Greek influences made this day trip an unforgettable journey through time. Thank you for joining us on our adventure through Chania. Whether it's for a day or a longer stay, this enchanting city is sure to capture your heart. We hope you got something out of this video and that it inspires you to visit this beautiful city yourself. From us, keep traveling and until next time.